Okay, Tic-Tac-Toe by me. My goal was to make a working Tic-Tac-Toe game. For my design, this is the screen that'll pop up when you run the program. To play, you have to click on a box, and a red or X or blue O will appear. Then it's the next player's turn, and they choose where they want their symbol to be, and they click. In this case, it's an O. Once the game is over, the computer finds out who wins and puts it on the board. Every time a game is over, it records it on this board. Program. So this is the part of the code that tells the computer how to draw X and O. Right here it shows the position and like the size and things like that. This is the part of the program that sets up the board.
I'm not yet done yet.
This is the part of the code that sets up the board. So like it shows like the size of the board and like where to put it. This is the main part of it. And then test and rethink. I don't remember how many times I tested my program, and I don't think any improvements to the program should be made. I like it the way it is. And then play. I need to stop screen sharing and share again. Okay. So here's my program. And to run it, I go run model F5. And then this screen pops up. For example, X could go here, maybe O could go here, and X could go here, and O could go here, and then X could go here, and then O could go here, and then X could go here, and then X wins. So S is player one, player one X equals 1. So that means player one or X has 1 point. Then you click to play again. Okay.
Perfect, Chantal. Let me stop the recording.